I'm Melissa. My name is Melissa. I'm from Sincerely Creative Mom. I'm a guest here on the How to Make Wreaths group. I'm a creative coach inside the Deco Exchange Design School, and we are going to have a little fun. The truck. So I get a max box. I get a regular box and I get a max box, okay? So in the max box, I get the door hangers. All right, so here's what I did. Does that string look familiar at all? If you get wood signs, I cut these off and keep them. Yes, I do. It's fine, okay? So that's what this is. I took a piece of tape and put a piece of tape around the edge so that I could easily string my wooden beads, which I already have put away. So that I could easily string my wooden beads. And I'll also say, when I'm doing this, I do like 20 of them, so that when I'm ready to make a door hanger, they're already ready. So that's why they're done already, okay? And I always make sure I knot both ends. So once I know where I'm gonna go on the door hanger, I make sure I knot both ends, and then we're gonna staple above the knot. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okie dokie. All right, so I'm gonna take my little string. Wait, first because this one you do want to make sure you have a little bit of backing. So I'm going to take these two pieces in my hand, just like this. And I'm going to hold it in my hand like this and eyeball it. And then I pick it up to see if that's where it's going to be good. And like, you know, balanced. And then set it right down there. Okay? That's how I do it. Genius. I'm kidding. All right, then I'm gonna knot the other end. I just leave the tape on, and I use a gripper though, because my hands aren't strong to pull that. So I want it tight. Okay, I'm gonna staple again above that knot. I'm going to staple above the knot. Nice and tight. Okay, easy enough, yes? And you can give it as much slack or as little slack as you like, you know, for the hook itself. You don't need too much. Look at how cute with the beads. Darling. Now we can use this from this month's supply box, because look how stinking cute. Are you serious? That is adorable. Matches perfectly. And the other piece that came in this month's supply box. Remember I said we're going to be really, I'm not going to say frugal. I'm not trying to be frugal. Oh, that comes like this. So yellow, purple, pink. Isn't that cool? I bet you this was, yeah, this was exclusive. And I love that there is 1, 2. I thought there was 3. Nope, I was wrong. 2 yellows, 2 purples, and 2 pinks. 3 pinks. See, that's why I thought there was 3. I counted 3 on the, okay, I counted 3 on the pink, and I thought everything was 3, but there's only 2. Okay, so we're gonna use this on this. Very simple. I'm just gonna pull that apart, and we're gonna pull it apart even more. Well, actually, do we need to actually pull the whole thing apart, or can we? And if we want it shorter, You can keep bending this because you're not going to see it underneath there. I think we're going to do that. Oh yeah, we for sure are. This is a 2.5 inch. I'm going to do another one of those bows. I'm going to do about this long. This is about 8 inch total. We're going to do 2. So pretty. So pretty. Right? I'm gonna put this one at the top. At the top. I really wasn't planning on using all of this. Because, well, let's do it anyways. I wasn't planning on using all of it. No particular reason other than, you know, just like to stretch things. I thought I was going to get, well, maybe we'll just do no floral on that other one. I thought I was going to be able to get because look how cute that is in full and big all by itself. And that means I can use the pink for the third door hanger. Boom. I'm down for that. You know what else I'm down for? I'm down for it being up here at the top. Look at how cute. That way, I'm not, at first I thought I was going to put it down here, but that would really kind of cover, and look how cute that is. Darling, totally doing it. All right, we're going to add that there, but that also means, can you see that? Let's do this. That also means that that might be, no, it's not, it's perfect. Okay. Yeah, let's make it 1 inch smaller. Let's do these 7 inches. Okay, here we go again. I know what we're going to do. We're going to put a crisscross on the bottom. And then all right, teeny, teeny, tiny, teeny, tiny. I think that's cute. The only thing I want to make sure is when I get all the way to the top that that ribbon there doesn't kind of fold in. I want to make sure that that stays. Cute. I love the layered look. I'm going to show you guys in 1 second. I love the layered look. I just want to make sure that that ribbon stays forward facing. I love how that floral ribbon ended up in between and in between and in between. It looks really cute like that. Okay, yeah, see? That's cute. See how it's like layered? It's really cute. Okay. Okay. And it's gonna be adorable, just like that. Okay. All right. Arms aren't long enough, so we're gonna turn this baby upside down. Actually, let's get it together, Melissa. Don't forget your wire this time. Don't look. And then also my little ribbon. This is so cute. These are so cute. So I'm gonna have to swap out in my classroom. I'm getting ready for some classes, some local classes, and so I'm gonna swap out the door hangers that are there, all the Christmas ones, if they're still hanging there, and put the door hangers coordinate with the season. Super cute, hiding that. I ordered pancake wreath frames. The recipe to create with them comes with them, correct? The general recipe, yes. The general recipe does come with it, yes. For the, well, actually not, yes. The answer is yes. Secondly, the way I create with the 10-inch frame has drastically changed, but the recipe that's there is still a valid recipe. I have a ton of videos for both the 14-inch and the 10-inch on our YouTube. All right, just like that. You can still see the wooden beads, and I'm going to use my little guy here. Staple, staple, staple. That didn't staple. There we go. And when I staple them, they seem to like go flat. I can just, you know, they're wired, so we can just build them up a little bit. This is cute. And then we can use that last piece, the pink,